Sunny to the stage with teachers.
lunch பண்ணேவா? Yes. So தமிழ்ல we say something. உணவு காடுகளை அமைப்பும் இயற்கை வகை விவசாயம் செய்யும் மரநலம் காப்பும் ரசாயனத்தை அறிவு தாவரப்பும் இது நமது சந்ததியை காப்பும்.
Makes its way as the waters in the river flow and the rolling rapids its flow.
Today our school is celebrating a program on the topic of nature's conservation day. For today, I am going to share 2 points about nature's conservation. And this is me, myself, as a
Nature conservation. Falling leaves and read my way slowly, talking aloud. Eases my mind. Sunlight filters through. I feel my head is bursting.
First of all, I would like to thank Mr. Ravasu, the principal, the senior principal, and the primary principal who have invited me and who are behind this entire program and the entire school. Thank you so much.
An extraordinary whiz-kid, Prasaddhi Singh is not just a social entrepreneur and environmental activist, but also someone who has dedicated her life to making a positive impact on the world around her, giving nature a chance to breathe again. The little girl with big ideas started the Prasaddhi Forest Foundation in 2018 in Chengalpattu with an intent to increase green cover, nurture biodiversity, and make recycling a way of life. Prasaddhi is recognized with the Prime Minister National Child Award 2021 as the youngest social entrepreneur. She is awarded the Global Child Prodigy Award 2022. She is the youngest fruit forest creator of India by the India Book of Records. Prasaddhi is also the youngest keynote speaker of Harvard Model United Nations India. She is also appointed as the brand ambassador for the nationwide girl literacy campaign Beti Bachao Beti Padhao by the Tamil Nadu government. She has also been appointed as child ambassador of Green Tamil Nadu Mission. Do you know how many awards does Prasaddhi of 11 years won? Let me read. The Diana Award by UK, ZTV Born to Shine Award, the Global Child Prodigy Award Dubai, TV18 Byju's Young Genius Award, Finalist Indian of the Year CNN News 18, Eco Hero Awards California USA, Earth Day Network Rising Star by USA, Global Sustainability Award by GCPIT, Young Changemaker by Cartoon Network Warner's Brothers. Prasaddhi said she has 2 missions. Her first mission is to keep planting trees to enhance biodiversity until it becomes art culture. And second mission is to keep spreading awareness and bring people together until it gets translated in our literature.
Poems together, which is done in the Green Tamil Nadu Mission. So I want all of you to stand up. It's a very small book. It is actually a slogan. It is a slogan. Pasumai Tamil Nadu, Pasumai India, மரங்கள் நடுவது பூமியை பாதுகாக்கும். Green Tamil Nadu, Green India, plant trees, save Mother Earth.